There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not.
Hi guys, spend a day with me as a housewife in Germany. So this is my morning routine. When I wake up in the morning, I do start going to make my tea, and I also like quitted to drink sugar, guys. Nowadays I am taking really honey, and it's really working for me because I am trying to lose weight, guys. And losing weight, you need to cut many things. Also, this chaya maziwa, I must cut it down. So guys, I do drink like chaya maziwa like 3 days in a week, and then the other days I'm in chaya rangi. So I have these bars, guys. I took these bars from village. I was in Mombasa. I came it with here in Germany, and you know what, I feel so good when I do eat bars in the morning and chai, and I feel full. And you can imagine when I take a nice breakfast in the morning, I can be able to go to the gym and stay there full day. So guys, come with me, let's go to the gym and try to work out and then spend a day with me, guys. Come to the gym. So I'm ready, let's go to the gym now. It's a bit chilly. I don't know, imagine it's July, but it's a bit cold. So let's go to the gym. Se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3. The good thing about where I'm living is not so far from where I come to train. It's only like 15 minutes. And then I'm here at the gym. So guys, come, let's go to change and I show you around. Yo sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos. After changing and keeping my things in a safe place, I went to have a 10-minute walk or 10-minute run to warm up my body so that I can be able to lift up the weight. So, kujeni tuende. No eras como Dari, eras como Badoni, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timidez me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Te subo el pecho y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono. Pa' esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Con esos besos, chica, me emociono. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte. I love coming to the gym early because at least it's a bit empty and I can be able to enjoy the machine alone, because sometimes it's very congested, especially if I come on a weekend. I don't even find a time to do. Anyway, I was done with my gym and I am back home, and you know what, I just want to go straight to the bath and enjoy myself. Before I go to my bed, I love to use this. It's from Walenda. It's so nice. I always let it settle, then I put this too.
Then I let it set off for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then I go to the bath, chill, relax, and then I remove it. So let's go to the bath.
At this point, I love to soak myself and also scrub myself. And I don't do this every day. No, I only do this like maybe 3 times a month. That is not a year, 3 times a month, which I find is so nice. But especially winter time, you really want to stay every day on the bathtub. But remember, where's beli ya stima huku si mchezo. So I normally take my scrubber or my scrub, and I really love this. It really works for me. It's like a sea salt, Yeah, it's a sea salt. It's like €2. I normally buy €2, and I just really scrub myself. I enjoy. It's really nice, Small things matters, my darling. And I was chilling, watching a power, Nanshiwa power. Yes, but I cannot play the music because it will be copyright, guys. So enjoy the flow.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.
After that, I give myself like 10 minutes soaking myself again. And you know what? It's time to shave myself. And you know what? I really find out after you soak yourself for like about half an hour, your hair, they are very soft and nice, and you are easy to shave them, and you don't have problem later, or you will not be able to scratch yourself, because this has happened sometimes. Anyway, guys, I am done taking shower, and now I use my toner. It's also from Walenda, guys. This is really nice. And also I use my night cream also. It's also from Walenda. I don't mix nowadays, and it really worked so good for me and for my acne. You have no idea, guys. I had so much acne. My face was terrible. And after I found out these good creams for me, oh, my face is glowing, guys. Yes, and you can also see on the cameras anyway. The face is glowing. Now I also use normal oil. This I normally buy also in Kenya when I go to Kenya, coconut oil, and then I come and mix it, and you know what, I glow and my skin is glowing. Guys, go and buy yourself this if you're struggling with acne. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the vlog now, because I really wanted to have cappuccino at this time, and then I look at my emails, enjoy myself, and do some work a little bit before I start cooking dinner.
I'm not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
So let's go and make dinner now. Dinner time. So that was paprika, and also I also added tomato paste together. And yeah, and my dinner was almost ready, guys. I cannot wait to eat this dinner. And also, I love cooking this meal sometimes, especially when I have a long day or I come from gym and I'm quite tired and I just need something quick. I don't want stress sometimes, because if you tell me I start to cook sima, nyama, sijui nini, lakini chakula saa zingine napenda, especially this homemade pasta, but nazinunuanga kwa supermarket, that is. So guys, enjoy my cooking vlog. Those are my cubes, by the way. Nilizinunua Kenya. I was in Kenya last month and I bought these cubes from home. Roiko ya nyumbani. Yes, mpisha olewe. Kaolewa though. Anyway, let's enjoy this cooking together. Alafu napenda kumix chakula yangu pamoja na minced meat. I don't know why, because mi napenda sana. Every time I'm cooking my food, or every time I'm cooking this type of pasta with minced meat, I normally mix. Siwezi kukula bila kumix, na ninasikianga inaonja vizuri, yaani inaingia mpaka kwenye mashafu, jamani wapenzi. So guys, that was my cooking session, or my cooking dinner time, Nimeshishabua. Niolewe ama nisiolewe? How unaonaje? What do you think? Leave the review down on the comment kama umeenjoy mapishi yangu, ama spend a day with me, darling. So guys, let's go and eat my food.
It's late in the evening, yeah. My mind loud. I'm out in the deep end, yeah. Have so many doubts. On this night, yeah, I came to reason to hold out, to hold out. Only right, yeah, to believe and go all out, go all out. To let my water, to let my.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting me every single day, guys. So see you on the next vlog, guys. Thank you. Bye.